Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90, and I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be checking the brake fluid. The master cylinder for your brake fluid is located right over here. It has a black cap with yellow writing on it. On the cap, it tells you what type of fluid to use. This particular vehicle says to use only .4 brake fluid. That means you do not want to use .3, and you definitely do not want to use .5. So, to check your fluid, right along the side over here, you've got a maximum line, right here, and then down there, there's the minimum line. As long as you're anywhere in between here, preferably up close to the maximum, you're doing all right. But I like to keep it just about at that maximum line. Let's take a look where it is. Looks like it's just a scotch below it. I'm not going to add anything to that because by the time I add a drop, it might even go above it. But let's assume that you do have to. What you would do, take a rag, or whatever you might have, a cloth or whatever. Try to clean off the area around it and or along the sides of the cap, just so there's no large chunks of debris around it. We'll get this out of here too. There we are. And that's just so that when we take off the cap, we don't get any type of debris inside the master cylinder. We're going to remove the cap by turning it counterclockwise. We'll take a look at it. I like to just push this back down and in, and then I take a look at it and see if it looks like it's dry rotted and cracked. This doesn't look like it's dry rotted or cracked, so it looks like we're doing all right. Also, something to pay attention to is if it's swollen. This right here looks like it's perfect, but sometimes you'll see it looks like almost like an expanded glove. Like if I was to blow up this glove and you saw my thumb just kind of like poof up right here, okay? It would look kind of like that inside here. This one looks perfect though. Now it's time to add. We would use the specified type, like I said, which is .4 brake fluid. Top it off until it's either at or just below the maximum line. Once it's topped off, you just take your cap, screw it back clockwise or to the right until it feels like it's nice and snug, and then it's nice and full. So there you are. That's how to check your brake fluid on your 2004 Volvo XC90.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.